Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another review. Next week's video, I think it's next week's video, will not be a review. It's going to be something a little bit different. But for today, one more review. Now this is a product that was very big at one time. I'm not sure if everyone is still as interested in it as they used to be, but this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And at one time, like, this was all over Instagram because, I mean, look at this bottle. It's so adorable, it's so pretty. Like, when I opened it, I kept it in the box all the time because I didn't want anything to happen to it, and I still don't know if I'm gonna throw it out because it's just so pretty. And that's like a me problem. I don't like to throw out pretty bottles. I have no idea what I would use this for though. Maybe that's something that I should think of and make a video about for my fellow people who hate throwing out pretty bottles. But anyways, let's get on to the review. So this product I picked up at Sephora, and I actually got it on sale at the last like VIB sale or whatever, and I think everything was 20% off at the time, but I'm gonna tell you guys what the normal price of this is. So this on Sephora right now is going for $21, and it's not terrible like for a price, but there's definitely cheaper ones and there's definitely more expensive ones, so I'd say it's about middle of the road. And this product, I'll start with the positives. It smells great. It smells like Jolly Ranchers. I don't know. It just smells so good. It smells like watermelon candy. So that was a great perk of using this, especially in the summer, because that's when I started using it, and it was just like a great smell to be putting on my face in the morning. I also really like that it's got a pump cap, because I'm not too fond of the ones where it's got like the little scooper, because I'm lazy and I hate washing off the scooper after each time. So I like this to just pump it into my hands, be done. Now, that's it for the positives, really. This doesn't really do too much. For $21, I expected more, I guess, but I've gotten more out of cheaper products. So I was kind of disappointed in that. It's a very light moisturizer, and so I used it. They give you two options for how to use it on the back. If you have oily skin, they say use it as a moisturizer because it's a very light moisturizer, and they say if you have dry skin or combination skin to use it as a serum. So I used it as a serum, but I didn't really see any differences. I didn't notice that my skin was brighter. I didn't notice extra moisture. It is supposed to have, I think it's supposed to have hyaluronic acid inside of it, so it is supposed to be very moisturizing and help your skin hold on to moisture, but I didn't notice any difference from before I was using this to after I was using this. So I feel like it just, for me, it didn't really do its job. It was more about the smell. And I like that even though it was scented, it didn't irritate my skin. I guess that's another pro or perk. But other than that, there weren't really any great qualities for this product, and I really don't think it's worth $21. If you are a VIB and like you get the big discount or whatever, I would say maybe try it out, but only for the summer, especially if you have dry skin, because this will not help you in the winter at all. And even if you have dry skin, even if you don't have dry skin, I would still use it as a serum because I don't feel like it's a good enough moisturizer. I don't feel like it would add enough moisture. So for this, I'd probably give it 2 hearts because it has a good smell. It didn't damage my skin at all. It didn't do anything bad. And it was kind of refreshing to be able to have that watermelon scent in the morning and even at night. And I liked the packaging a lot, but the product itself just didn't really do anything special, and I don't think it's worth the price tag. If this was like maybe 10 bucks, I would say yeah, go ahead, get it and use it as a serum. But for 20 bucks, there are much better serums out there. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have this product, let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. Do you feel the same way I do? Did this work wonders for your skin? I always like to hear what your guys' experiences are like with these products. So let me know, please. And yeah, I think that is it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye!